20 more kilometers to go. Look at him. I think he's gonna die in next few kilometers. We would be sitting here for 5-10 minutes and then we would be starting our trek. It is 2 o'clock and we're planning to reach a place which is called I believe Nimbada by 5 o'clock. Let's see and hope that we would be able to reach Kedarnath by 7 or 8 p.m. We are in a place which is called Nimbadi, and now you cannot move forward because they close the gate at 5 o'clock. And from here Kedarnath Temple is around 10 kilometers, so that journey we would have to complete in the morning. The gate opens at 6 in the morning, so we are planning to wake up at 4 and getting ready and be the first one at the gate by 5:30 so that we can reach as soon as possible to Kedarnath. So we are at a place named Bhimwada, which is around 12 kilometers away from the temple. You're not allowed to trek at night, and right now we are in this synthetic huts created by the government because after GAURI KUND you would not find any private accommodation in the building. So this is the accommodation where you would have to share this hut with 5 other people if you're alone. Last night we were the only 2 people and we had this hut all just for ourselves, but 6 people in one hut, that's what they call it, and you have to pay 300 rupees for each bed. So we have finally left our tents or huts to start the trek. It is 8 AM, right? So we just had tea and breakfast, and the locals told us that it will take us around 4 hours of trek to reach the temple, and we're gonna find some snow over there. And he also said that now the trek is gonna be difficult than the one which we have already covered. 10 kilometers all uphill, 4 hours. Raining all night long, and I have just asked one of the locals, and he told me that you are the only 2 guys who are going towards the temple today. 1 kilometer covered, 9 more to go. गौरी कुंड से हमने देखा नहीं है बीच में। कितने 5 दिन हो गए, और अभी कितने दिन और लगेंगे? और तो पहुंच गया। मजबूत है। इससे खिंच जाएगा क्या? ये टूट जाएगी। ऐसा ही है?
ऐसा ये थोड़ा मोटा है ना, ये मजबूत है ना, मजबूत तो बहुत मजबूत है।
ये टॉर्च है भाई,
ये टॉर्च है,
ये सिटी है, इसमें साउथ वेस्ट है और इसमें टेम्परेचर है, और ये लाइटर है आग जलाने के लिए। सब सो यार, फंस गए तो कौन बचाएगा भाई। These guys have been pulling this thing from last 5 days from the place where we started this journey, which is called SONPRAYAG, right? And it's still gonna take them 5 more hours. This is how they are pulling things to the top. And I just asked them, it weighs 275 quintal, and there are around 40 men pulling this thing from last 5 days. Me and my friend feeling tired just by walking, and these guys are doing it with this much of weight for 5 days. Respect for them. Here I cannot see this starting point from here, but we trekked for almost 12 hours from the place where we were resting last night, and there you can see the temple. There, I don't know whether you can see it or not, but the view is amazing. As you can see, all glaciers on the top, and this is the place. If you had a horse, this is where they would drop them, the clients or the guests. So there are 3 ways through which you can reach to this temple. One is on the horse, the second is by helicopter, and the third one is by foot, the option which I took. And I would share my experience in the video about how to reach Kedarnath Temple. So we'll be reaching there in next I think half an hour, 45 minutes, and I would be shooting 3 videos from there. One would be timings of Kedarnath Temple, second would be 5 things to keep in mind if you are planning to visit this temple or this place, and the third is how to reach Kedarnath Temple. So guys, this is the landing zone for the helicopters. 2 helicopters just landing behind me, and you can get it from there's a place called PHATA, and they're going to charge 3,500 one way, and it will take 10 to 15 minutes if you're coming from helicopter, and if you are planning to come by yourself without taking any horse or helicopter, it will take you around 7 to 8 hours. And finally guys, the temple is here. We trekked for almost 27 kilometers to reach to this temple. So guys, this is the end of this trip, because now we will be going down to GAURI KUND, and from GAURI KUND to Rishikesh, and from Rishikesh to Delhi. It's 6:30 in the morning. I just climbed this rock so that I can show you the temple, and the place where I was staying is the place where I was staying with my friend. And if I turn around, behind this rock is the temple. So the distance from the temple and from the place where I was staying is around 1.5 kilometers, and we'll be going down in that direction, right? Look at the view from here. This is the reason why I
climb this rock glaciers. So that's it for this trip, and please make sure to subscribe to this channel and check out my videos about how to reach Kedarnath Temple and timings of Kedarnath Temple. So subscribe to this channel because I'll be uploading videos about different places in India every single week. So that's it for this vlog. Till next time, keep running, stay happy because you are awesome.